Hey there! I've been curious about Tunisian and Moroccan cuisines lately. They both seem so rich and flavorful. How would you compare the two? Hi! I'm a big fan of both cuisines, and I'd love to discuss their similarities and differences with you. To start, both Tunisian and Moroccan cuisines are known for their bold flavors and unique combinations of spices. However, they do have distinct characteristics that set them apart. That's interesting. I've heard Moroccan cuisine is heavily influenced by Mediterranean and Arabic flavors. Can you tell me more about that? Absolutely. Moroccan cuisine is indeed influenced by Mediterranean and Arabic culinary traditions. It's characterized by the use of spices like cumin, coriander, and cinnamon, as well as ingredients like couscous, lamb, and dried fruits. One iconic Moroccan dish is the tagine, a slow-cooked stew made in a special clay pot of the same name. Tagine sounds delicious. What about Tunisian cuisine? How would you describe its influences and signature dishes? Tunisian cuisine has a unique blend of Mediterranean, Arabic, and North African influences. It's known for its use of fiery spices like Harissa, which is a hot chili paste. Tunisian cuisine also incorporates seafood due to its coastal location. One famous dish is couscous with fish, where couscous is paired with a flavorful fish stew. It seems like both cuisines have a rich history and diverse influences. Are there any commonalities between them? Absolutely, there are some commonalities. Both Tunisian and Moroccan cuisines make extensive use of olives, olive oil, and bread. You'll find various types of bread in both countries, such as flatbreads and crusty baguettes. Additionally, mint tea is a popular beverage in both regions, served as a symbol of hospitality. That's fascinating. I've heard that both cuisines emphasize communal dining. Can you tell me more about that? Yes, communal dining is a significant part of both Tunisian and Moroccan cultures. Families and friends often gather around large platters of food. In Morocco, the tagine pot is placed in the center of the table for everyone to share, while in Tunisia, you might find dishes like merguez, a spicy sausage, served family style. That sounds like a wonderful way to enjoy a meal with loved ones. Are there any notable differences in their use of ingredients or cooking techniques? Definitely. While both cuisines use similar spices, their combinations and techniques can differ. For example, Tunisian cuisine relies heavily on the use of harissa, while Moroccan cuisine leans more towards a mix of sweet and savory flavors. Moroccan cuisine often uses preserved lemons and honey in its dishes, creating a unique sweet-savory balance. It's fascinating how slight variations in ingredients can create such distinct flavors. How about their use of meats and vegetables? Meat plays a significant role in both cuisines, but the types of meat differ. Lamb is more common in Moroccan dishes, whereas in Tunisia, you'll find a wider variety, including lamb, beef, and seafood. In terms of vegetables, both cuisines make use of seasonal produce, but Moroccan tagines often include vegetables like eggplant and tomatoes. I see. It seems like both cuisines offer a diverse range of flavors and ingredients. Are there any regional variations within each country? Yes. Both Tunisia and Morocco have regional variations in their cuisines. In Tunisia, the coastal regions have a stronger emphasis on seafood, while the interior regions focus more on meats and grains. In Morocco, you'll find variations based on geography, with the coastal areas having more seafood dishes, and the interior regions featuring tagines and couscous with meat. It's incredible how regional differences can add even more depth to these cuisines. Have you had the chance to try dishes from both countries? Yes, I've been fortunate enough to taste dishes from both Tunisia and Morocco. Each country has left a unique and lasting impression on my taste buds. The richness of flavors, the warmth of the spices, and the sense of hospitality in both cultures make dining experiences memorable. That's wonderful to hear. I'm definitely inspired to try both cuisines now. Is there anything else you'd like to share about Tunisian and Moroccan cuisine? One thing to keep in mind is that both cuisines are a reflection of the rich history and cultural diversity of their respective regions. Exploring their dishes is not just about savoring delicious food, but also about experiencing the traditions and stories of these vibrant cultures. Thank you for sharing your insights. I can't wait to embark on a culinary journey to discover these amazing cuisines for myself.